Did you know that you can purchase a home that needs a little work or requires some renovations, and you can include those renovation costs into your mortgage? This is called a purchase plus improvements mortgage. The first step, as always, is to get pre-approved. This is so that you can determine your maximum purchase amount. The second step is to go house hunting. The lender can provide you an as-is approval based on a specific property. You will obtain quotes from a contractor for the value added non-structural work that you would like done. You want to include renovations that add value to the home. Think flooring, paint, maybe a kitchen or a bathroom renovation. Once you have an accepted offer, your mortgage approval will be revised to include the price of those renovations. Once you take possession, the work is completed as per the detailed scope of the quotes that you previously provided. Once that work is completed, the lender will request an inspection to confirm that the work has been done. The lender will then notify the lawyer's office to release the improvements money to you. The caveat here, of course, is that you do have to have the money for the renovations up front. This mortgage is sort of in two parts. The first part is on your possession day, the lawyer sends the money to the seller for the purchase price of the home, and they hold back that renovation money. And the second part is once those renovations have been completed, the lawyer's office is then notified that they can release those funds to you. Typically, lenders like to see the improvements to be done within 120 days after you have taken possession, and the maximum amount is generally around $40,000 for the improvements.